United in AI, we learn and lead, ensuring we always stay ahead. February 2022, Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. To support the Ukrainian tech sector, the largest AI community in Ukraine, AI House, brought together global AI experts for a charitable education project, AI for Ukraine, lectures and workshops about the latest in AI and ML in exchange for donations to Ukrainian defenders. This time, AI House teams up with one of the most powerful Ukrainian AI ML tech companies, Roosh, for AI for Ukraine Season 2 to assist Ukrainian AI talents in expanding their network, equipping them with the most current and relevant knowledge in AI and ML, and raising funds to support Ukraine. Join AI for Ukraine Season 2. Harness the opportunity to learn, network, donate, and support Ukraine.